Ka East Khasi Hills District Kalara Samla do champion Hakalumpung Yakob State Level Inter-School Athletic Meet Arhajar Arpun Rio Kabalakut no Hamadan Sai NEHU Haka Arpu Artarik Gujamang. Kentai Batshinrang na East Khasi Hills kilanyom napang bankur yaki takmak siar renong badrupa. Ki kentai na East Khasi Hills kilakur nyo pupra pon West Giant Hills kawan baar da South Pon. Nakaliang kishinrang ka East Khasi Hills kalayo sanbu nyo pon buat sa kanot Garo Hills da Laipon Rio pon. Yakata masa penwai lawan penkut da uba Wailat Miki Shilla Menteri Kikam Sports and Youth Affairs hakani kasni. Baro khad artli ki distrik ka Meghalaya kilawan batsyem bentar rengkat khendai sepak ngutam ki Samla kila mi pertai Hamadan. Yakani kalumpung Yakob la penlong da ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ka Khuborjylla.
Athletes, as requested.
On your mark.
Once again, thank you and welcome to the closing ceremony. And useful tonight.
Of different districts in our state for the smooth conduct of this year state level inter-school athletic meet. At the same time, I'm very thankful for our President of the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, John Khasi. Let's give a big round of applause for the sports department and also the Meghalaya State Athletic Association. To all of you, my dear students and athletes, you are today standing there in front of us. You should be proud of yourself, because by standing here today, that means you have proven something. That you are a fighter, you are an athlete who are eager to bring laurels to your family, to your village, to your school, to your district, and I'm hopeful that you will bring laurels to your state and the country. So a big round of applause to all of you standing here today. Remember, my dear young friend, winning is temporary, but character, discipline, and sportsmanship, this will stay forever with you. Many of you might not have won a medal today. And I was so surprised and so satisfied to see that not like the other year, where we could see that East Khasi Hill used to dominate. But I'm very happy to see that some other districts also are start to come up. In spite of many challenges, we know, apart from the East Khasi Hill district here in the past, hardly we have any facility to offer to our students in other districts. But today, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, where in the past, every inter-school athletic meet used to be held in Shillong because of so many challenges, whether in infrastructure, facilities, and many other things. But today, I'm so happy to tell you that right now, we have the artificial athletic track, not only in Shillong, in Jen Stadium, but we have in Voyager, in West Janjir district, we have in Tura. The construction already started in the East and West Mahaparvat, in Riboy district, and in Bagmara. And it is our endeavor of the government to see that every district should have their own athletic artificial track. In order for you, students, to have a place, a proper place to practice, to showcase your talent. For many of you, I'll tell you, today you are standing here. I know that you have been well taken care. You have a good place to stay. You have a good place to participate. You have a good dress to wear. But please just ask your seniors. 5 years or 7 years from now, before, how was the condition, where they used to stay, what kind of food they used to have, where they hardly they can have a proper jersey to wear and participate.
The silver medal goes to Mewati Ashton Rashi of East Khasi district, who threw at a distance of 33.42 meters. And the gold medal goes to Bamil Ajit of West Khasi district, who threw at a distance of 34.14 meters. Now moving on. The silver medal goes to Sibyl Damaring of Khubor district, who cleared a height of 1.49 meters. And to Same and Marak of East Hospital backs the gold medal, creating a new meet record of 1.49 meters. Securing 1,572 points. The silver medal is backed by Keimonmi Lingdo of West Giant Hills with 1,593 points. And the gold medal is backed by an athlete of East Giant Hills district, Khubor, who created a new meet record with 1,849 points. Rafael L. Park with 1,758 points. And Insayai Bel Khama of West Khasi district backs the gold medal, creating a new meet record of 1,900 points. I would request the silver medalist team of West Giant Hills district glorify Lapian Sir Pilot Latong, Dapi Dekar, and Sapika Aputu to kindly come forward to the crew stand. Receiving the bronze medal are the athletes of West Giant Hills district. And the gold medal in the 4x100 meters relay is backed by athletes representing East Khasi Hills district, Kuwait Hawa, Christine S. Chang, Philanisha S. Masai, and Enriana J. Moon. The timing was 55.86 seconds.
They clocked a combined time of 2 minutes 47.61 seconds. Winning silver medal for Khubor district with a combined time of 2 minutes 46.28 seconds. Anisha Maring, Ramisha Kro, Idameka Magdo and Delightful Lingdon. We are very delighted to announce that our chief guest for the closing ceremony has just arrived and he has made his way to the VIP days. Please give him a big round of applause to welcome him. We acknowledge your presence, sir, and as a token of appreciation, and 200 meters under 18 girls.
With a timing of 23.59 seconds, and the gold medal goes to betting star and Samla of East Khasi with a timing of 23.29 seconds.
All the girls from West Yankee can come forward. Come, all the girls. Go on. Come on, girls.
at this very moment, I stand here to declare that this year, state level inter-school athletic meet of 2026 declare closed.